Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Lately, choosing the right telephoto lens on ultra flagship phones has been a real headache. We've seen 75mm, 85mm, even 90mm options, and the big question has always been which focal length is actually the best. The core of this problem is that smartphones rely on fixed focus lenses. But imagine if a phone could offer true continuous optical zoom instead. That's exactly the missing piece the Xiaomi 17 Ultra brings to mobile photography. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. As always, let's start with the design of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. The moment you pick it up, the first thing you notice is how much lighter it feels. In the past, Ultra models often felt like holding a brick, but this one is clearly slimmer and more comfortable. From the side, you can see the thickness is just 8.29 millimeters, which is 1.06 millimeters thinner than the previous generation. For the first time in a while, this imaging flagship actually feels like a normal phone in the hand, rather than a device built only for photography. The version we have here comes in starry green, a deep dark green finish mixed with fine mineral particles. Under different lighting, it gives off a subtle sparkle and feels very premium. On the front, the phone uses a completely flat display, paired with large rounded corners and extremely narrow black bezels. Altogether, it creates a very balanced and pleasing look. In terms of design, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is exactly what you'd expect from a flagship and feels perfectly suitable as a daily main phone. Now let's move on to one of the biggest highlights of this device, the camera system. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra continues to deliver top-tier camera hardware. It includes a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera using the JN5 sensor, and the main camera is equipped with the new Lighthunter 1050L sensor. This sensor features a large size and a 3.2 millimeter pixel size, along with LOFIC ultra-micro sensing technology. Compared to the previous generation, this boosts full scene capacity and dynamic range by nearly 20 times. Even at ISO 50, shadow details are well preserved. At first glance, darker areas may look very deep, but once you zoom in, you'll see there's plenty of detail instead of flat black tones. Shooting while walking around at sunset with the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is a genuinely enjoyable experience. It feels effortless. The signature Leica color science adds a special texture to photos, making it easy to capture great shots casually, which is perfect for street photography. In low light scenes, the 1-inch sensor really shines, producing extremely clean images with excellent highlight and shadow control. The contrast feels natural and balanced, resulting in a clear and comfortable overall image. Video performance is just as impressive. Thanks to the upgraded low-fi technology, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra can record 4K video at 60 frames per second using LOFIC, maintaining high dynamic range while also fixing the rolling shutter issues seen in previous single-frame shots. Xiaomi also supports multiple high dynamic range recording formats, giving creators plenty of flexibility in post-production. When it comes to telephoto, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is especially interesting. It uses a massive 1.1-inch 200 megapixel sensor with continuous aperture optical zoom, covering a focal range from 75 millimeters to 100 millimeters. The aperture shifts smoothly between f2.39 and f2.96. The lens itself is a complex design with 3 elements and 8 groups, using a Leica-certified 3-element negative pin structure to control chromatic aberration. As for how different focal lengths actually feel in real use, the change in image size between 75mm and 100mm doesn't seem dramatic at first. In many cases, taking a step or two forward or backward can give you a similar framing. But with more experience, you start to realize that this small shift in perspective actually represents a big leap in quality. On smartphones, focal length and image quality are always closely linked. With traditional fixed focus systems, cropping a 1.1-inch 75mm sensor reach 100mm effectively shrinks the usable sensor size, reducing the area by about 40%. With continuous optical technology, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra maintains optimal image quality throughout the entire 75mm to 100mm range. This means manufacturers no longer need to rely on multiple separate lenses just to cover different focal lengths. The greatest advantage of this continuous system is freedom. You don't have to think about whether a certain focal length will compromise image quality. You simply raise your phone and shoot. When it comes to street photography, this phone lets you capture those split-second moments with outstanding image quality and just the right framing. It delivers one of the best mobile telephoto experiences you can get right now. These focal lengths fall perfectly within the most commonly used portrait ranges, which means it performs exceptionally well when shooting people, even in low light situations. The quality of telephoto portraits is genuinely impressive, especially when using the flash, and it can also shoot night portraits with richer, more dimensional light and shadow. In good lighting, the way it handles light, shadow, and color is even more striking. In high contrast scenes, its rendering of light and dark areas feels very distinctive, with a strong sense of texture. Even after zooming in, darker regions still retain plenty of detail. In low light environments, the advantage of its large sensor becomes even more noticeable. Whether you're shooting at 75mm or 100mm, the image quality remains consistently high, with accurate and pleasing color reproduction. For night scenes like reflections on water, it can even capture fine details such as subtle ripples on the surface. Thanks to the ability to crop from a large 100mm sensor, the super telephoto performance is also excellent, with a very high upper limit in image quality. On top of that, the telephoto camera offers a massive 200 megapixel resolution. When you shoot in the full 200 megapixel mode, you gain much more flexibility for post-editing. Xiaomi has also used this telephoto lens to create some very creative features, such as live camera movement effects. By combining hardware advantages with advanced algorithms, it achieves a unique live image experience that opens up a lot of creative possibilities. From an overall imaging perspective, the Xiaomi 10 Ultra is extremely close to perfect. Whether you're using the main camera or the telephoto lens, it delivers some of the best image quality currently available on a smartphone. The addition of continuous optical zoom also brings what may be the best telephoto experience right now, completely solving the long-standing problem of choosing the right telephoto lens on an ultra imaging flagship. Now, let's quickly go over the rest of the specifications. As an Ultra model, it includes everything you'd expect. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, offering more than enough performance for daily use. Paired with Xiaomi's HyperOS 3, the overall experience is smooth and responsive, and gaming runs without any issues. For battery life, it comes with a large 6,800 mAh battery and supports 90-watt charging via the PPS protocol. Even with a slimmer body, the battery capacity has increased, giving you more confidence in all-day usage. The display is also top tier, reaching an impressive peak brightness of 3,500 nits. With super pixel technology, it delivers detail comparable to a traditional 2K screen while maintaining the power consumption of a 1.5K panel. As for pricing, the base version of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra in China starts at 6,999 yuan, which is roughly 738 pounds in the UK and about $996 in the US. To wrap things up, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is a truly outstanding imaging flagship. Its improved in-hand feel makes everyday use more comfortable, proving it's not just a camera-focused phone but also a great choice as a primary device. At the same time, its imaging system has taken a big step forward. The combination of a 1-inch large sensor main camera and a large sensor continuous optical zoom telephoto lens ensures excellent image quality across the most commonly used focal lengths on a smartphone. Shooting with this phone delivers a pure and satisfying photography experience. Paired with its top-level flagship hardware, the Xiaomi 10 Ultra offers an almost flawless overall package and comes highly recommended. That's going to do it for this video on the Xiaomi 10 Ultra. If you found it useful, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.